Hi, good day. Welcome to Schmidt Technology, your partner in assembly solution. In this short clip, I just want to share with you the smartest way to save costs in assembly by using Schmidt Technology.
This is a 3-pin plug with a USB output features. It looks simple assembly process, right? Well, anyway, it's not really. In conventional way, it needs 3 processes to final assembly this plug. First will be the press station. Press station is to press fit the pin into the housing. Second is measurement station. Measurement station is to make sure the height is in the specific tolerance. This because every small single part has its own tolerance, which will affect the total tolerance after final assembly. Third is a final inspection station, which also the most critical process. This is to make sure the product is in good shape, no damage on the housing. Most of the production only practice sampling check, which chances is high that the reject part may escape to buyers. This really can cost you a fortune. Based on our customer best calculation on the OEE, the best of these 3 processes only can reach 77%. Anyway, you can Google it for the detailed calculation. With Schmidt Technology, it is possible to combine all 3 processes into one. That makes 90% of OEE. Let me show you how it does. With the return stroke features, we can monitor the start and end position, which is also measure the total length of the product before and after assembly process. With the real-time force control features, the EP343 able to monitor the press fit process in real time. With the additional tolerance window, it can monitor whether there's any abnormal process during press fit. Abnormal such as housing crack, foreign material inside the housing, etc. By these closed loop features, 100% quality check into your product is possible. And yes, you can rest assured that all this press data is recorded and can be transferred to your server via Ethernet.
Okay, now let's talk about money.
The OEE for the conventional method is 77% and the Schmidt Technology is 90%, which is difference of 13%. With simple calculation, the difference of 13% can easily save you about $20,000 per year. And do note that the cost is exclude the measurement and QC equipment, which is not cheap for this both station.
And yes, we are calculating only one single production line. What if you have more than 10 lines? Well, I'll let you do the math. In Preston, we always say, your profitability is our top priority. Thank you for watching this clip. I hope it really benefit you in your manufacturing process. See you again. Bye.